Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB. So now today I'm gonna show you how I create this multi-clone effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first things I did, just I shot some different clip, but on the same position, on the same shot, on the same location, on the same what. So how I shot these clips. So I just put my camera on a tripod and then I shot some different clip, but on the subject, which is in the different position. So as you see here, this is the first clip where this subject was be on this side. So that was the first clip, and other clip, this is where my subject is in the front of this camera, and then this is the third one, this is where my subject is, guys. But when you see it well, you see the background doesn't change, okay? So and then this is the fourth one where the clip is on this side. So now the things I'm going to do, I'm just going to combine it together and then make one shot. So now the things I have to do, so now let me start it by this clip, okay? So this is how my clip it is, and then I have to put the second clip on the top of this first clip, okay? And then I have to see where my first clip is. So now, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of this second clip, okay? And then I just want to see where my first clip it is. When you see how this first clip, guys, it is. So, and I'm going to mask, okay? Just I'm going to mask like this, okay? I have to check all to make sure where my clip it is, okay? So the things I have to do, I'm going to use this mask, okay? And I have to make sure where the subject will, like something like this, okay? So let me start it by here, masking this clip. And guys, remember that the other clip, and remember that other subject will be on this side, so I have to mask in this way, okay? Yeah, something like this, okay? When I try to play, now you see, yes, I didn't crop. Oh, you see, guys, here I did something errors, so let me just do it like this, okay? Yeah, something like this. And then after this, I'm going to bring back my opacity to 100, something like this. So this is how you can combine it together. So now, and I'm going to do it on the third one. Yeah, I have to put it on the top again like this. So this is how the third clip is, and then also I have to reduce the opacity, and let me see how I can crop the third clip. So the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to mask where this subject will be. Yes, something like this only. All right, this is nice. And then also I have to increase this opacity 1 to 100, and I have to make sure if each clone doesn't affect each other's, okay? Yeah, something like this. You see, guys, I have to just reduce. I'll just crop, okay. This is good, all right? And then the last one, I have to put it here on the top. You see, guys, where it is, and I'm going to mask this subject only. But this subject, yes, will be disappeared because I just want to crop this one only. Okay, so the things I have to do, let me just mask it, okay? Something like this, guys, okay? Yeah, this is great. And then let me pray, let's see how it will going, okay? But here there is some errors, guys. You see, guys, it is missing. I can just move this mask around here. Okay, so now when I play, you see how my masking is going. It is going well, guys. So guys, before you shoot this effect, or before you make this effect, first you have to know that where your clip or where your subject will be on each side. And then, because when you go to mask it in Premiere Pro, yes, it will be easy for you. So first, the things you have to know it is planning how you will shoot this multi-clone effect. So guys, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe this video and like, share, etc. And then see you in next video. Peace.